just check out that front end, man. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Well, it's the 4th of July sale here at the Fort Worth Pick and Pull, man. I'm surprised I made it out here. Just one other person was there, robbing the emblems off this thing. Yeah. Got a 71 Pontiac Catalina. Yes, she's a 4-door. I know. Sucks that the sun, you know, is making this car look backlit. Yeah, let me go on this side. I think the guy only took that emblem there and the one on the dash. But so glad he didn't touch that dealer emblem, man. I want that dealer emblem. I think it's not broke. Is it broken? Never seen this one before. Checking this was in there. Looks old enough like it would be. Set this to the side. Yeah. This side, oh, it's been damaged a little bit by the forklift. There, right there, and on the other side too. I think it was caught. It might have been caught here. See a little rust down there. This was done a while ago, you can tell. "2005, man, we're talking, what, 14 years ago. And it looks like it's been sitting about that time. I saw this thing on the other side of the yard. I was like, ooh, they won't put it out here for the sale. Shoot, I was wrong. They did. So I was like, man, I was gonna go to the other yard today to get something else. But I saw this, like, man, I gotta see if I can get out here before, you know, they start raping and pillaging it. I mean, but then again, you know, I didn't know what it was. If it would have, like, you know, who knows what, you know, what's under the hood. But overall, man, this was a straight car. I mean, you could tell it sat for a good while, but I mean, look at it. There's no hail damage on it. Like the vents there on the deck lid. Look at that. I know you can see that, right? You see any dents? I don't see anything. Someone's sitting here. Yeah. It's been a little bit of modern car sitting out there this long, boy. This thing would have had like damn near holes on there from all the hail. That back bumper looks good. Yeah. I said the deck looks good too. Tail lights. I mean, they probably, well, they're getting, you know, chrome's starting to deteriorate. These fillers look alright. Oh no, this one's got a dent on it. I bet that was caused by the yard. Yeah. Yeah, man, I want to get that. It's nice. In the trunk, we have nothing. Nothing. You know, got a bit of rust here. You can see, you know. Nothing hiding back here. Anything? No. Nothing on this side. Sometimes there's, you know, goodies that be hiding back up in these areas. You know. See the rust there. Like I said, this deck lid, man, this is a solid deck lid. That is solid. Yes, it is. Yeah, there's no rust on this thing. That's solid deck lid. Let's take a look inside. Obviously, this just a green type of a color. Obviously, it's original. Looks like it's been just faded from the sun. Patina, for all you guys that love the patina. They didn't win. Oh, the headliner, no, headliner is ripped. Anything here on the floor? It'd be nice if I could find that the build sheet on it. That'd be cool. But I can't do it even one hand, so look under there. Sometimes they're under that seat. Door panels, man, they're, you know, plastic always gets messed up. You know, the sun just deteriorates this stuff. So, but, you know, for the most part, decent. Nothing there. Yeah, he took that deal there. See that? So it just deteriorated, man. I don't know if he broke this or somebody else did, but he took that emblem right there. Yeah, but there's nothing in the glove box. Let's see if there's any paperwork, man. You know me. I love finding my paperwork. Yes, I do. Anything that kind of give me a little history on these cars. But nothing. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. But Swish Sweets. Yeah. The dashes. Actually, you know what? Except for there and whatever was there, this dash actually, look, it survived. Heck yeah. Well, at least this portion, I think you could just like two pieces. Looks like it. Yeah, it looks like the actual dash part of it actually has no cracks, you know. Yeah, let's go around the other way. Doors closed, all right. I think it's only got two hubcaps though. The seat go back any further? Off inside here. Not much. Not much. They were smokers. Oh, she don't want to go. There it is. Got an aftermarket radio. Looks like a no-name brand, I think. But like I was saying, man, the dash. Yeah, look at that. That dash is not cracked. Like I said, this is like a two-piece deal here, you know. And that part even doesn't look like it's damaged, other than that right there. That looks like, I am willing to bet the person did this to it. They cut that out for some reason. Steering wheel's seen way better days. It's all cracked. Yeah, she's not in good shape. So, let's see. I wonder if she is underneath. Is she solid? Is she solid? I like this cockpit style. I always like that. That's cool. You see that mileage? You see that mileage? Let's see, go back up a little bit. That's a 4 up in the front there. Windshield's busted. All the rest of the glass looks good. Yeah. underneath. Yeah. This is an original format. Right. Ooh, nice and cool down here. And I'm gonna venture to say that, yeah, she was pretty damn solid, man. Yes, she was. Heck, yeah. Yeah, she was solid. Yeah. I think the quarters are probably the worst. Got a little bit of deal here, maybe a little bit over there, this little area, but other than that, yeah, other than that, man, that's, you know what, she had duals, yeah, she had duals, all, but she had duals, man, with some, you know, brass packs, cherry bomb style, and no, we got a one-wheel peel. Let's go down here. Yeah, like I said, this was a pretty solid car. Fire marshal. Trim's actually in good shape on this one too. Well, check out the VIN. There's the, can you guys see the VIN? I'll call it out because this, man, it's hard to see. I can't really glare of the sun and I get out of it, but it's 2526 91X3339492. Was that a one? It's a 2526. Okay. It's a Defender. That was called by the yard. It's got disc on it. Can't how to look and see. Outside of that damage, like I said, this car, you know, pretty straight. I mean, that door, I think that door and that one probably came in that way, but like I said, this fender was good. This front end, outside of this here and this, the grill looks like there's no issues on that grill. Yeah, I think it's a two-piece on this. These, yeah. Headlight bezels look all right. T3, see there. Another one. Those are Wagner, it says there. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, this fender here too, man, outside of this deal here, it's damage. This side's really straight. Yeah. Trim looks good on that windshield. The hood. Oh, she got a little bit of a ding here. I think maybe here too. But outside of that, I think, I want to say she's straight. And, oh, wow, yes. See that? See that? Oh, man. You hear that? I'm not straining. Getting weak. That means them hood hinges are nice. Yes, they are. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Those are nice hood hinges. And let's see if I can, from the bottom, yeah, no rust along there. Yeah, on that lip. Heck yeah. Yeah. I think she's still usable. That hood's still usable. And under the hood, what do we have under the hood? You know, I even had they left the keys of this thing. Do I have them in my pocket? I thought I did. Did I? Yeah. I had the keys, but they were in the ignition. But, you know, didn't need them to open the trunk. The trunk was already open. So. Factory AC car. Power brakes. Power steering. Like I said, what's this? I can't. Oh, I can't. Oh, man, I can't see. Let me just get another look. Oh yeah, the disc brake. I think it was standard on this year. Disc brakes were standard. Now is this? I'm trying to think. These swap. These will swap over. It's a B body, so it'll swap over to an Impala. You know, but I'm not sure was it standard on the Impala also by this, and could this swap over to like a 69 or 70? I have to look that up. Because if that's the case, they would probably be worth a little bread. You know, half off today. Yeah. But I'm sure you guys probably know what's under the hood, right? I mean, I was like, ooh, could it be a 455? You know, that's like the one big block I don't have. You know, well, I'm sorry. You know what? I know somebody's gonna be like, that freaking idiot called it a big block. My bad. They were all the same, damn. They were basically all the same block. You can't tell them by looking at them. You just can't. You know, 350, 400. I've got a 400. Came out of what did that come out of? What did that come out of? Dang, I can't remember now. I know I bought it from the junkyard. I just can't remember what now. It'll come back to me. But yeah, 350. There you go. Bam. I know that some guys get pissed. I'm trying, man. I'm trying, but you know, it's hard with one hand. It's hard to do with one hand, you know. I'm trying. I don't know. We'll see. Can we get it back on there? Ooh, there you go, guys. There you go. There you go. There you go. Make sure I'm still recording, man, because sometimes this phone be tripping. You know, make sure I had enough memory on it. Yeah. Say, get a good look at it. Like I said, this car, I mean, everything looks to be pretty much, you know, I mean, it's all there. It's all there. In terms of, you know, like they just like stopped driving it for whatever reason. Yeah. I said power steering car, right? And I see that the Y, is that YN I think I saw on there? I think I did. Let me see if I can get that. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys see that? Pretty sure that's what I saw. But correct me if I'm wrong. I wonder if this POA valve's good. They're getting a little hard to find for me. At least in good shape. That will, I can swap that into the enough body like a Firebird too. That resistor, man. Alright, man, let's wrap this up. Let's wrap this up because my freaking memory filled up again, man. Damn it. That sucks. Yeah, I tell you, I need to get bigger memory card or something, man. More storage in these phones. But here's that see that bin there? I mean the tag. I don't know if you can see it because I can't see with the glare. You know, see that? Yeah. All right, man. I think that's gonna do it. I think we already checked it all out, right? I think that's it. Yeah. But yeah, you know, another 70s land yacht bites the dust, man. Yep, it does. You know. What else can I say, right? So that bumper was looking good too. As a matter of fact, I didn't think I looked at it. But yeah. Well, all right. That's gonna be it. Like I said, people looking for parts, you know, it'll be out here for a little bit. You know, it's Fort Worth pick and pull. So, fortunately, you won't get them on half off unless you come today or tomorrow. All right, we're out.